All right, ladies and germs, we're gonna make a tomatillo salsa or a salsa verde. Some beautiful tomatillos, some beautiful cilantro, and I seem to have misplaced my beautiful serranos. I'm gonna make them with serranos because I really do like the flavor of serrano peppers. I mean, I love jalapenos too, but serranos are nice. All right, I don't know if I mentioned, I am boiling the tomatillos and I am roasting or grilling on my griddle my serranos. But what I'm gonna do is, I have some leftover oil here from the other day, and I'm gonna pour it on my peppers. I want these babies to burn. I want them to singe. I want that roasted flavor. And I want that oil flavor, that cooked up flavor. So here we go. Before I forget to mention, of course, we are using minced garlic, not fresh. So it's garlic, peppers, tomatillo. I always put in the cilantro last because I don't like to cook the cilantro. All right? Can you smell when the pepper's burning? Your eyes can tell when the pepper's burning. The request lines are now open. We are making salsa. Okay. You can do this with jalapenos. You don't have to grill them. You can also boil them with your tomatillos or tomatoes. I like these right now is what I'm wanting. Sometimes I will boil them with my peppers. And a salsa isn't about you burning your mouth. Salsa is about enhancing the flavor of your food. You can make a hot salsa and add a little bit of salsa to your food. Make a mild salsa, add a little bit more to your food. I eat mild salsas with ramen noodles, with eggs, with steak, with everything. So this is my preference here. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I am adding this much of a spoonful to my boiling already hot water in tomatillos. So I'm actually gonna put some salt in that. Maybe about, I don't know, a tablespoon. And then I'm gonna throw all of that in the blender. So you might not want all the water in there. I don't know that I want it all yet. So I'm gonna strain this so I can throw all of my garlic in here. And I will add the water as needed. Okay, not that I'm forgetful or anything, but I haven't added the onion. So I'm boiling up some onion in the same water I boiled the tomatillos. I want to keep all that flavor intact. All right, I'm blending. I'm gonna just pulse. I don't want to pulverize my onion. I am adding about half a bunch of chopped cilantro, and then I am covering it up, and then I am, oh dang it. Oh wait, okay. Right. And then I'm blending again, or pulsing. I really don't want to destroy my cilantro, and I want it to mix well. Tun taran tun, tun taran tun tun. Look at this delicious salsa verde. And look at these tostadas. Salsa verde, tostadas. We are going to taste. Oh my God. Salsa. Ooh. You didn't mean to make me cry. Sometimes I wish you weren't that spicy at all. It's delicious. Oh my God. Delicious.